The Art and Science of Love Couples Workshop and Retreat was created by Drs. John and Julie Gottman. It's a research-based, trademarked workshop that has been around now since 1996. Over 4,000 couples have taken this workshop, and the majority of them leave at the end of the weekend feeling closer to one another. The Art and Science of Love is based on real couples and what real couples do. It's not based on a theory or anybody's opinion. You're really learning from these brave couples that allow themselves to be researched by John Gottman. So what are we teaching in the Art and Science of Love? The first day, we just focus on friendship. It's a very positive bonding experience. There's no public sharing of your personal information in this workshop. All exercises are done with your partner. So we teach a topic, we maybe do some role play or show some fun videos, and then we'll give you an exercise to work on with your partner for 20 or 30 minutes. You'll come back in the room, and then we'll move to the next step. It's a very fun experience, and couples just love that first day. Now, we have built on that positivity the second day, because the second day we're going to tackle conflict. The 3 areas that Gottman found were crucial to couple success were friendship, conflict, and dreams and aspirations. So we're going to spend that second day on helping you learn to manage conflict even better than you already do. I know that some of you are already doing well. And if you're not, no worries, because we're going to teach you some great techniques and tools that you can take home with you that are going to help you dialogue about your differences in a more productive way. And even find meaning and compassion around your differences. And that's where the dream part comes in. We really teach you to go dream hunting and figure out what those differences mean to your partner, and give you the experience of having your partner really ask open-ended questions and find out what your position means to you. At the end of the workshop, we're going to talk about dreams and aspirations, and really who you are as a couple together, and what you're growing as a couple together. What is meaningful to you? So the 3 areas, again, are friendship, conflict, and dreams and aspirations. And those are the areas that really fortify your relationship and keep you strong.